very good day to the panel of judges. My name is Samira N. and I am a Year 6 student from the school SJKT Tun Samandin BBD 8470 for the Pertandingan Bicara Buku Nilam 2024 for English language. I like to read books. I enjoy reading fiction and non-fiction books. During my free time, I would always read books. Reading is important. If you know how to read, then the whole world opens up to you. A famous quote by Barack Obama, the 44th President of the United States, from the year 2009 to 2017. Today, I would like to share with you about one of my favorite books. The title of this book is Global Warming. This book is written by Lawrence Springer. Lawrence Springer is one of America's top non-fiction writers for young readers. He has written more than 100 books for young readers. This book contains 48 pages. This book was first published in the United States by Sea Star Books. There are 17 contents in this book. This book shares the greenhouse effects, the threat of rising seas, changing weather patterns, and many more about global warming. This book also tells us why the Earth's climate is warming. It describes the alarming effects of climate changes that are already occurring and those that scientists forecast for the years ahead. Global warming could lead to global disaster. The actions needed to take to reduce greenhouse gas emissions also make good sense for other reasons. Global warming could affect the weather everywhere. Plants, animals, and people would also be affected. I think that the best method to prevent future damage to the earth is by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, preserving forests, promoting afforestation, and renewable energy. We can also enhance energy efficiency and have implement sustainable agricultural practices because it helps to reduce emissions and preserve soil health. And most importantly, we must raise awareness and educate others about the causes and consequences and encourage sustainable lifestyle choices that can lead to meaningful actions at all levels. It is really important to take care of the environment. Here are some of the issues that are happening around the world. Firstly, glaciers are melting. Many glaciers are already melting and shrinking throughout the world. As the temperature increases, they will continue to melt. Ocean levels will rise. As the glaciers melt, the ocean levels will rise. This could cause flooding in cities located near the coast. Migrations of animals. Animals will migrate to cooler spots as their whole habitat gets too warm. This could upset the food chain and put some species in danger of extinction. Secondly, the extreme weather condition. Some scientists say that warming will fuel more powerful hurricanes as well as droughts and flooding in different areas of the world. Changes in ecosystem. Cold weather biomass such as the tundra will shrink, while deserts will continue to expand. Ever since I read this book, I learned that it's important to not use plastic bags because plastic bags start out as fossil fuels and end up as deadly waste in landfills and in oceans. We should also start to recycle more because recycling helps to reduce the needs for landfills in more costly forms of disposal. I would like to share about 3 countries which are preventing global warming. And these countries are Denmark, Sweden, and Chile. These 3 countries demonstrate how framework, policy, and law can help guide us to mitigate and adapt into a changing climate. I hope that the people in our country, Malaysia, could work together and prevent global warming. I like this book because it is interesting to know more about the current situation that we are all in. In conclusion, global warming is a worldwide disaster. Actions needed to take to reduce greenhouse gas emissions also make good sense for other reasons. Global warming will affect the weather everywhere. Solving this problem will require extraordinary cooperation among all nations. That's all for me. Thank you.